Hello, friends. Today, let's learn about the different people you'll need in your wood press oil, small scale manufacturing business. Understanding their roles will help you grow your business wisely. We will also discuss the hiring strategy, how to phase out the hiring process so that your costs remain under control and you achieve profitability faster. Let's start with the layout of the factory and machinery to see where exactly workers are required. First, machine operators. They operate and maintain machinery. Second, packaging and labeling staff. They handle packaging, labeling, and prepare products for shipment. Third, cleaner, maintenance worker, clean and performs minor maintenance tasks. As time progresses, there may need a production manager who will oversee production, ensure quality standards, and manage workforce. There will also be a need of quality control inspector to ensure products meet quality standards and regulatory requirements. Lastly, when operations scale up, an accountant, bookkeeper will be required to manage finances, payroll, and bookkeeping. Now, let's see how to bring these people into your business over 3 years. In year 1, start with family. Use family help for machine operating, packaging, and maintenance work. This saves money and helps you learn. In year 2 or 3, you may think of getting external staff. Hire someone for quality control inspection in year 2 or 3 when you reach 100% capacity. In year 3, expand and specialize. When your business is bigger, hire more machine operators and more packaging and labeling staff. Also hire a production manager and accountant bookkeeper. By understanding each role and adding people slowly, you can grow your business smartly and successfully. All the best on your business journey. To subscribe to Vyapari Coach channel in YouTube.